Okay, me and the boys are here. Mommy's running errands. What are we gonna do?
Wash the camper.
We're gonna wash the camper, huh? Got your mitts ready? We got our soap. We're gonna wash the camper.
And wax it.
Yep, let it dry, and then we're gonna wax it here after a bit. So we got a long day ahead of us. You excited?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do this. We're gonna be washing it with this Thetford wash and wax. Use that.
I'm ready.
You ready?
Yeah.
And then when we're done, we're gonna wax it with the Thetford RV wax. Try that out. So, see how those work out for us. Just got done washing the camper. It looks so much better just with the hand wash. Probably gonna wax. I might start a little bit tonight and then finish it up in the morning. But Brooke just got back with the truck, so I want to wash the truck real quick while I got everything out. Do a good hand wash on it, and then we'll probably wax it as well when we're waxing the camper. So I'm gonna do a quick walk around with you guys, show you how much better this thing looks. I can't believe the difference that it makes just with that wash and wax from Thetford. I'll link that below for you guys. Not sponsored or affiliated with them. I think it just did a really good job. I will post an Amazon affiliate link though, so if you want to support us, you can click through that and go buy it that way. We make a small percentage on that. Doesn't cost you any extra, but it helps us fund the channel a little bit. So let's take a quick walk around, show you how good the camper looks. So there she is. I mean, it just looks brighter already. I can't believe how good it looks already. I think it's just gonna pop once we wax it. Did you help me, Ray Ray? Was it fun? Did you get wet? Alright, so now that we've got it all washed, we're going to go ahead and apply our wax. This is a wax on, wax off, Mr. Miyagi. You're going to put this on. I got a cloth here for our 10-inch orbital polisher. This is our application cloth. We're going to put it on, let it dry, and then we're going to throw a terry cloth on and then wipe it off. So should be pretty simple. Probably take me the rest of the day.
So I should have stayed at the grocery store?
Yes. But we're just going to do the sides that are in the shade right now, because it seems like when you put wax on in the sun, it kind of bakes it on, and then it's hard to get off of there. So we're just going to do the sides in the shade today, and then probably first thing in the morning, we'll do the sides that are in the sun right now. Pour a little bit on there.
That's a little bit.
Well, you gotta get the cloth moistened. But a little bit goes a long ways. We'll start down here low so you guys can see before I get up on the ladder. Before I turn it on, I just smear it on there, because otherwise you're gonna have wax going all over the place. And when you're using the thing, you don't want to keep it in one spot too long, or you're gonna burn a hole through your clear coat.
They're not gonna be able to hear you.
Move that bottle back. Okay.
This is how you can exercise.
Oh, you can exercise like that? What muscles are you working? Huh? Are you working any muscles? Sorry, Jordan wants my attention.
All right, so now we got the terry cloth. Once this is kind of dry, it kind of looks powdery. Now it's time to take it off.
I don't think they can see it's powdery.
I can see it. Okay, so we learned a little lesson on the back side of the trailer. Don't do a big section at once. Pick a small little section, wax on, and then wax off.
Even though it says to let it dry.
Yeah, because on the back, it seems some places it just dried too much that with our elbow grease, like around the ladder and stuff, we can't get it all off. So I guess it's just gonna have to kind of look a little dull. I don't really know what else to do there. But yeah, small sections at a time, you should be good to go. It seems like it comes off fairly easily that way.
Those are our boys inside.
Yes. Well, just gonna keep going, little sections at a time.
For this whole giant trailer.
Okay, so we've been waxing the camper yesterday and part of today. We got it about 3/4 of the way done.
It looks really good.
Yeah, and we got this side that's in the sun right now, so once it gets in the shade, we'll finish that up later this afternoon. But in the meantime, I am going around and I am conditioning all of our slide seals. I'm using this slide out rubber seal stuff. I'll post a link down below. But you just spray it on the seals and wipe it down, or you can spray it on your rag, either way. So pretty simple. I'm just gonna spray a little in there and you just wipe it down.
Will it hurt
Just
if you
like
get
that.
it on the trailer?
No, it shouldn't matter. So try not to get it on the trailer, but
And how often should you do this?
this should probably be done probably at least once a quarter. We probably haven't done it that often, but I've done it a few times, probably about 3 times since we've had the camper. But
And what's the purpose of this?
it just conditions your seals, keeps them from rotting out, drying out, cracking and stuff, just makes them last longer. Because we replaced all these when we bought the camper. We put all these new ones on because the old ones were rotted.
Just, not all of them, just certain ones, right?
All the ones on the exterior.
Okay.
The bubble seal and the flap seal. We replaced all of those. So
So what's a can of that cost?
no idea.
Okay. So we'll link it below.
Yes.
But it's definitely cheaper than replacing the
Yes.
seals.
Yep. So do that. The other thing is I was doing, I was up on the roof doing a little waxing from the top. Just inspect your roof. We resealed ours about 6 months ago. When we buy this?
October.
So yeah, about 6 months,
Or no.
7 months ago.
A little longer than that. We moved in October.
So we resealed the roof 7 months ago. So I was just up there doing a visual inspection. Everything looked good. There is one spot on the other slide that I noticed. Something must have been on the top of the slide when we pulled it in or something, and it kind of just damaged it a little bit. So I'm just going to put a little bit of Eternabond tape on there and fix that up.
What's Eternabond?
The Eternabond is
a godsend.
Yep, it sticks to everything. Use it to patch any holes or cuts that you get in your rubber roof. This is our Eternabond tape. It's kind of dirty. We carry it around with us all the time. The white side goes to the outside. On the inside, there's a clear protective layer that you peel off, and then it's sticky. The spot I have up there is about the size of a dime, so I don't need a very big piece. So I'm just going to cut some of that real quick here. Cut me a little square to put on there. We'll go up and do that now. I also use this Eternaclean. I spray this on the spot that I'm going to stick this to. It gets rid of any oils and stuff, and it's safe for your roof. Okay, so here's my little spot. Not exactly sure what happened there. But I don't even think it really went through, but I just want to put something on there just to protect it, just in case. So we spray a little bit of our cleaner. Wipe it down. And then it's kind of hard to peel this backing off sometimes. Maybe. Come on. There we go. And just stick it on your spot. Give it a good rub. And that should be good.
So we've been working really hard to get all the maintenance on the trailer done. We have serviced the hot water heater, we have checked the roof, Jordan has waxed and washed. Now I am going to clean the hydraulics. So these are all things that don't necessarily need to be done daily by any means, but should be done fairly regularly. This one's a super easy one. Jordan grabbed me some degreaser. I have some trash paper towels that have been used for other things, like to dry hands and things like that. And now I'm going to use them and do all this so that I'm not putting that in anybody's washer because nobody wants that. I'm going to wipe it down and they are going to be shiny and good to go. So there you have it. Wipe your hydraulics down. Make sure that they stay nice and smooth so you're not getting dirt up in there. Great, easy maintenance, super simple and quick. Check out the other videos for lots of other maintenance tips, things you can be doing right now, even if you're not traveling, so that you are pumped and ready to go when it is time to roll again and your rig is in tip-top shape.
Put a fork in me, I am done. Last 2 days, we washed the camper, waxed the camper, washed the truck, waxed the truck, put in our slide supports on the bedroom slide to support those rollers so that they're not breaking through the floor. What else did we do? We've done a ton of stuff last couple days. Finally finished up waxing, just finished on the truck. I think it all looks great. This side here, the door side, there's some spots, and I don't know if the cameras can pick it up or not, but there's some bright spots and there's some dull spots. And I waxed it just the same as the other side. I think because this side gets all the sun, it's oxidized more, and so it's not as shiny. So I don't know if a second coat of wax would do any good or not. If you guys have experience with that though, leave me a comment, let me know. I'm debating on doing a second coat, but I think I'm gonna hold off right now because I'm spent. If you need a good shoulder workout, wax your rig in a weekend. My shoulders are killing me now. But yeah, glad to have that done. One thing I noticed when I was waxing and stuff, there's a couple seams and stuff, you know, like these guys that need a little touch up in a few spots. So we've been mooch docking at my parents' house. They don't have sewer hookups, so we've been running to dump once a week. And so I think when I get back tomorrow from dumping, I'm going to go ahead and touch up a few of them seams with some lap sealant, just to reseal those. Yeah, other than that, the camper's looking in great shape. I've gotten a lot of the maintenance done I've wanted to get done while we've been here. The only other thing I need to do is check the water in my battery. We only have the one battery right now. Because we've been staying in parks and stuff pretty much full time, I haven't needed to do the solar and stuff, but solar's on our list. Something we'll get to hopefully eventually, sooner rather than later. So we got that coming up hopefully. But yeah, I think it looks pretty awesome. I'm happy with it. That RV wax from Thetford seemed like it did a great job. I even used it on the truck, so I'll link that below. And the wash and wax too, it's a combo that I used. It seemed like, I mean, it was a night and day difference after just the wash. So I'll link all that below. If you guys got any other maintenance stuff that you want to see, questions on anything, leave me a comment, let me know. Shoot me a message on Instagram, Facebook, here on YouTube. Everything's at the Camper House. Greatly appreciate it. Love to connect with everybody and yeah, just get to know everybody and help out wherever I can. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you on down the road.